This is a really quick way to increase Amazon profit. A lot of people talk about revenue and increasing revenue, but it doesn't matter if you make $1 million if you spent $1 million to get it. So profit is the most important thing. I'm talking about the size of those Amazon payouts because that's actually the money that if you ever want to sell the Amazon business, that's how they value them. And if you just want to take out profits as the owner to have a better life, that's what you need is the profits, right? So this is a search term report. It comes from the advertising console. And if you run any sort of Amazon ads, sponsor products, sponsor brands, sponsor display, you have these. Just go over to the advertising console, go to reporting and export one for the last 60 days to start. And by the way, just be exporting one of these every 30 days. Otherwise, the data disappears. It's very annoying. So just make sure you're doing that as a matter of hygiene. But I want to give you a quick tip today to outline exactly how to make money as a result of this crazy spreadsheet with a bunch of columns in it. There's a few main characters. Pay attention to those, and you'll be just fine, right? So customer search term is what the shopper actually clicked in order to get to our product listing. The spend is what we spent. All of the clicks added together, all the cost per clicks, what we spent, and most importantly, probably column O, the sales. What did we actually get back in revenue for the amount that we spent? And so I'm going to teach you just a quick filtering thing so that you can increase the profit here. So just highlight everything as I've already done. Throw a filter on absolutely everything. Okay, and that way you'll have these headers filtered just like that, right? And we're going to go to column O. We're going to clear everything. We're only going to show stuff that did not get sales for the period that this report was exported for. So I'll go 0. And then I'm going to filter the spend by Z to A from highest to lowest, right? And so with this now, I see that, obviously this data is anonymized for the seller's privacy, but these would be real terms that customers were searching and clicking to get to your product listing. But so all these search terms you can see here, we spent 27 bucks, made nothing. Here spent 26 bucks, made nothing. 25 made nothing. 20 made nothing, and on and on. And for there's dozens of terms that spent a good amount without us actually seeing any return from it at all. So the low-hanging fruit in terms of increasing profit here is actually really just to look at the clicks for a moment and say, 42 chances to convert somebody. We didn't convert anyone. Spent 17 bucks. If we added then this customer search term as a negative keyword to the campaign that it came from, it's going to cut that. The campaign is not going to show our ad for that keyword anymore. And as a result, we will have saved this money every 30 days or every 60 days or whatever it is. And you might think, well, what's the utility in saving 17 bucks a month, right? But it adds up. It adds up real fast. And also there's an opportunity cost to it, right? Because if you would have spent the $17 elsewhere in something that was, more productive, like one of these, like with $27 here, we made almost $800, right? So I would have liked the other 17 wasted ad dollars to go here instead and produce this return as well. So um, that's it. Just adding. So again, just to repeat it. So we filtered by terms that had no sales. We then sorted column N, Z to A, and we found the ones with high number of clicks where statistically it's just unlikely that we made that sale. And you can add these customer search terms. Go back to the campaign manager in Amazon, add these as negative keywords, and you will see ACOS improvements, which translate into profit improvements. I wrote you a free book with a lot more tactics in it because we can only talk about so many here, just the one. But this book has dozens. It took me a long time to write, and I'll drop it for you in the comments of this video. It's totally free, so just download your copy, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks.